Hello everyone, my name is Saloni Sana. I live in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Arts in English Honours in the year 2018 from Vinoba Bhave University, that is in Hazaribagh town, Jharkhand. I am a philanthropist kind of person and have a couple of hobbies like creative writing and reading. My strength is that I am people friendly. I am people friendly so that I can mingle with them very easily. That is why I am good at teamwork also. And my weakness is that I can't say no to anybody who comes to me for help. And I consider this as my weakness because sometimes it hampers my own work and getting it delayed. But I love helping people, so I do. I have started my tutoring career after completing my 12th. So it is almost 5 years now that I am teaching kids. I have dealt with students from classes nursery to 10. So that's all about me. So today I want to tell you a story about a fish and an eagle. The name of a fish is Swimi. What its name? Swimi. It was very happy and it was swimming up and down in the water. You want to see the picture of Swimi? Okay, wait. See, this is Swimi. What color it is? It is orange. Yes, very good. Right. It was jumping up and down, up and down. It was jumping and singing and was just very happy to swim in the water. But suddenly, what happened, you know? Suddenly, it looked up in the sky. And what it saw in the sky? It saw an eagle flying in the sky. And eagle also. The name of an eagle is igloo. Isn't it funny? Yes, okay. You want to see the picture of igloo? Wait. This is igloo. It is also very cute, right? Okay. It was also very happy flying up in the sky. But suddenly what happened, you know? It looked down, down at Swimmy, who was swimming in the water, and wished, oh, I could swim like Swimmy. Swimmy also looked up and wished, oh, I could fly high in the sky like Igloo. So, what they decided? They decided to switch their roles. Yes, they decided to switch their roles. Swimmy came out of the water thinking that it could fly, and Igloo also went inside the water thinking that it could swim. But what happened? But it started drowning. It started drowning into the water. And Swimmy, who came out of the water gasping for breathe. It can't breathe. So, what happened again? A girl and a boy, just then, a girl and a boy who were just roaming around saw these two. And what boy said? Boy said, oh, this is not the place where a fish should be. And he picked up the fish and put it gently into the water. And a girl also rescued the eagle, igloo. The name of an eagle is igloo. Yes, very good. After that, they both become very happy because someone came and saved their lives. Both of them looked at each other, okay, and said, we are okay where we are. We are fine where we are. So they both looked at each other and said, I am good at swimming. And Igloo also said, I am fine also flying. So, and it flew away, and Swimmy continued to swim inside the water, and they never wanted to switch their roles again. They are happy ever after. Okay, so do you like the story? Yes? Okay, thank you.